Our new Dragonfly backpacking series offers backcountry adventurers exceptional livability for a surprisingly lightweight freestanding tent. Designed with generous vestibule area and interior space, at a mere 33 ounces for the 1P and 42 ounces for the 2P, Dragonfly offers plenty of space without weighing your pack down. With a smartly tapered asymmetrical design that shaves weight, Dragonfly offers ample headspace where you actually need it, and massive trapezoidal vestibules that take gear storage to the next level. A tall tub floor starts with premium 20D coated nylon ripstop, ensuring plenty of privacy and rain protection to keep you warm and dry. Single seam construction ensures greater longevity. Integrated 10D nylon and no-see mesh sidewalls provide significant airflow for temperature control while keeping condensation and bugs at bay. The black mesh blends into the sky for clear stargazing at night. Pre-bent DAC featherlight poles keep weight to a minimum, while a crossbar and high-arching main pole significantly increase volume at the head, peak, and foot ends. Color-coded anodized hubbed poles and matching webbing make for an intuitive, ultra-quick setup. Dragonfly's premium 15D nylon ripstop fly is coated in a durable silicone water repellent, offering some of the most reliable and durable weather protection possible. Stunning geometry, secure pole snaps, and double stake points on the fly doors make for a more weatherproof design and superior accessibility. Two massive trapezoidal vestibules have multiple rollback points, allowing for various exposure configurations and more gear stashing volume than any other tent in its class. Further preventing condensation, we've added protected strut vents at the top of each zipper flap, ensuring proper ventilation, especially during a storm when you need it most. For convenience, Dragonfly is equipped with two corner gear pockets at the head end and a generous gear loft at the peak. Also included are two light pockets so each partner can turn their headlamp into a tent lantern, providing a pleasant glow through light diffusing fabric. Even our Divvy stuff sack was developed to allow you to split the weight with a hiking partner. For adventurers looking for a superior backpacking shelter that offers a refreshing amount of space where you need it most, Dragonfly redefines the ultralight category in backpacking adventure gear.
Meet the next generation of fire with the BioLite CampStove 2 Plus, a portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Featuring a patented thermoelectric design and an integrated onboard battery, you can turn your fire into power in real time or store your electricity for whenever you need it. The LED interface provides instant feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Use the included flex light to illuminate your nighttime cooking with accurate color render technology, and integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen. And anytime you go off the grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the BioLite CampStove 2 Plus.
The YETI 3000X. Powering your life at home and on the road with clean, quiet, fume-free power is easier than ever with this large-capacity power station. Multiple port options allow you to run everything from power tools and air conditioners to electric bikes and wood-fired grills. The upgraded AC inverter allows you to confidently run anything you could from a traditional wall outlet. With a 3,000-watt lithium-ion battery at its core, the Goal Zero YETI 3000X power station equips you with reliable, portable power for camping, tailgating, off-grid events, workshops, and emergency backup. The YETI comes ready to power a wide range of devices with an array of port options, including a fast-charging 60-watt USB-C power delivery port, 2 AC ports, with a powerful 2,000-watt AC inverter allows you to run power-hungry devices and appliances with confidence. Our new inverter size can handle up to 3,500 watt surges from power tools, refrigerators, and air conditioners, making it possible to power anything, anywhere. Two 2.4 amp USB-A ports, an 18-watt USB-C output, two 6mm 12-volt output ports which pair well with some of our lighting options, a 12-volt car charging port with up to 13 amps of regulated output, and a 30 amp 12 volt regulated APP output. This allows you to power a large 12 volt system from a single port. Another addition to this YETI is an MPPT charge controller. Users will see a 30% more efficient charge from our line of solar panels. To charge the YETI from the faceplate, there are two options: an 8mm charging port that can accept up to 120 watts of input, or an Anderson power pole port capable of accepting 600 watts of input. The maximum input a YETI 3000X can accept is 660 watts. The included 230-watt wall charger will recharge the YETI in 14 hours, but the YETI can be charged in as little as 5 hours from solar or other fast-charging power supplies. Our intuitive LCD display allows you to view your input, output, time to empty and full, and current battery level. For more display features, see your YETI user guide. Under the lid, there are additional input and output options, including a 30 amp 12 volt APP output and an 8mm 120-watt input port. These options allow for a more seamless cord management experience. There's also a module bay designed for our YETI Link system, which optimizes your YETI for vehicle, home, or battery system integration. In addition, we've expanded the capabilities of the latest YETI app to include historical power tracking, charging profile options, and more. Easily pair your YETI by pressing the wireless button and following the in-app instructions. This allows you to check battery level, power in and out, and turn ports on and off, all from the palm of your hand. With our historical power tracking feature, you are able to view your usage history in an easy-to-read data chart. Within the app, you can also select charging profiles based on your use to optimize your battery life. Whether you need it on the job site, on the road, or as a home backup when the grid goes down, you can count on the YETI 3000X to power your electronics, appliances, CPAPs, and more.
Introducing the iHealth No Contact Thermometer. Measure your temperature instantly. You'll see results in just 1 second. The infrared sensor collects more than 100 data points, getting accurate results every time, so you can feel confident when you're keeping a close eye on a kid with a fever. You can check your child's temperature without having to touch their skin. No more worrying about spreading germs around your house, and no loud beeping sounds that could wake a sleeping child. A sleek, one-button design makes taking a temperature simple. Just hold the button until you feel a gentle vibration. The LED screen displays the reading in bright white light, so you can clearly see it, even in total darkness. Just hold, aim, and measure. That's how easy it is to take a temperature with a no-contact thermometer from iHealth.
The Katadyn Hiker Pro is a high-performance, lightweight water filter built for quick and efficient use in the backcountry. Lightweight is your demand, but pumping performance is also a must. It includes quick-release fittings for a direct attachment to your hydration pack. The Hiker Pro is easy to use in any water source, whether it's a lake, river, or stream. Simply place the pre-filter in the water source and pump to provide safe drinking water right into your hydration tube. The Hiker Pro uses high-technology pleated glass fiber filtration. The filter protector is easily cleaned for longer life and faster water flow. The built-in carbon core reduces chemicals and makes water taste like it should. The Hiker Pro is ultra-compact and lightweight at only 11 ounces and is the best choice for an ultralight backpacking water filter. It filters at high capacity and is easy to use and performs in a variety of field conditions. In a new transparent color, it's performance you can see.